Okay, so here's page 2 in a second. How did we finish page 1? We talked about the spies who were there to check out the so-called Table of the Sun, said to be in the possession of these Ethiopians. But they were also, in addition to this, to cast their eyes about Ta'ala, everything else. And they were Ferontas. So, if you remember, on usa, ontas is the masculine plural accusative, still agreeing with these scouts, carrying gifts, supposedly. For the king of them, for their king, for the king of the Ethiopians. And the table of the sun is said to be essentially such as this. That's how we translate toyadetis. Let's see what it says. Toyosde, toyade, toyonde, such as this. I suppose the tis might be something such as this. Okay. Line 10. Lamone is, let's see, a meadow. Astu is the Greek word for a town. The proasteion is the area around a town, the suburbs, the outlying districts, something like that. Epipletos means full of. Boiled meats are going to come into play at some point. And there's an odd verb that you're not to worry about, tithemi, that means I place, I put. You can see tetrapods are also going to be figuring in this page. Look at line 12. Hoi en tele ontes, those being in power. Telos can mean power. And it glosses that further. Telos, telus means end or government or power. Okay. Hemera is day, dinumai is to feast or to dine. Easy to remember. Pros ami, I go towards. You should remember that the future of Urkamai is Amy. Epikorios, of the land. Femi, as I say, you've met Efer before now, and Ger is land or earth. Oh, right, so that's quite exhaustive. So, there is a meadow on the outskirts full of meats, of cooked meats, of all the tetrapods. So you name it, it's there on this table. To which now we've got to look at the men and the de. So there's the men and the de subsequently. To which, during the nights, hoi en tele, the authorities, hoi en tele ontes rather, those being in power, it still means the authorities, place meats. But tas hemeras, during the day, literally the one wishing coming up can eat. Whoever wants to come and eat may do. Okay, so those are the actions of the authorities during the night. They load up this table of the sun, and during the day, people tuck in. Whoever wants to can come along and tuck in. Final line already. The locals say these things, the earth itself, and then really it's a question of ... because we have to go on to page 3.